Okay, we're at 5th and West, and this is the B2 floor plan. Great little outside deck there. Kitchen starting to get installed. Nice backsplash. Guest area, nice view. 10-foot ceilings. Okay, here's the master. It has these dual doors that open up here. One door slides. A lot of marble in here. Fantastic master bath. High-end marble, good sized closet. Yeah, this is a really good floor plan. You can see it's going to look really luxurious. Let's get this going in here. Nice, good views. Fantastic views from this. This is the 8th floor. We walk over here to this guest bedroom. These sliding doors are very unique to this property. You don't see a lot of it. It's actually thought through. Okay, remember that this plan always has that post right there. It's really nice. That's your view.